Jackson, and today I'm going to show you how to go over the leads in HubSpot. Today we're going to go over both how to do it in companies and contacts. So I'm already in companies here, found on the left side of your screen. We are going to go ahead and go to a random account. I'm just going to do a test account real quick. Now once it's loaded on the right side, it will show all of your leads right here. What you're going to do is go ahead and press add for any new ones, as well as you could see just a few seconds ago, all of the old leads. Now you can name your lead anything you like to keep better track of them. The lead pipeline, quite simple, it's just going to be lead the pipeline. And the lead stage, you have a couple options. There's brand new stages for any lead you may have, attempting, connected, and the final one's qualified and disqualified. Next up, the lead type. This will define what kind of lead that you are making. Of course, there's the new business, upselling, and then in case you want to, there's the reattempting as well. And then, of course, there's any additional notes that you may need just in case. And the label. The label goes over whether the lead is currently hot, doing really well, going along smoothly, warm, also going along just kind of in the middle. And cold, of course, means it's kind of at a dead stop and could catch up. Then, of course, if you already have any other existing leads, you can go over to this tab right over here on the right and click on anything you want to add what you want to that lead. Now we're going to go ahead and create the lead right here. It's a brand new lead. Tells you when it's created as well as all the information. Now, of course, you can change this as you go along within the lead, from attempting to connected to eventually, hopefully, qualified or disqualified. And of course, you can also change any leads, whether they are disqualified or not. Next, I will show you how to do this on contacts as well. It is roughly the exact same setup, same tab. You're right here, you're in leads. You press add just like before, and it's all the exact same.